Understanding LegalZoom's core offerings. Beyond just incorporation. When most people hear LegalZoom, their first thought is often business formation, like setting up an LLC or a corporation. And while they excel at that, their services extend far beyond simple incorporation. Let's break down some of their key offerings. First and foremost, yes, they are a powerhouse for business formation. Whether you're aiming to establish a limited liability company, LLC, a C Corp, an S Corp, or even a nonprofit, LegalZoom provides an intuitive platform to guide you through the process. They help you determine the best structure for your business based on your specific needs, walk you through the necessary paperwork, and even handle the filing with the relevant state authorities. This saves you countless hours of research and ensures your business is legally recognized from day one, offering crucial liability protection. But what happens after your business is formed? That's where LegalZoom continues to be incredibly useful. They offer a suite of intellectual property services. This is vital for any business that relies on unique ideas, branding, or creative works. You can register your trademark to protect your brand name, logo, or slogan, preventing others from using something similar and confusing your customers. They also assist with copyright registration, safeguarding your original literary, artistic, or musical works. In today's digital age, protecting your intellectual property isn't just a good idea, it's a necessity. Beyond formation and IP, LegalZoom also delves into legal agreements and contracts. This is a huge time saver and a critical layer of protection. Think about all the agreements you might need. Operating agreements for LLCs, bylaws for corporations, employment agreements for new hires, non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, when sharing sensitive information, service agreements for client projects, and even rental agreements if you're leasing property. LegalZoom provides customizable templates and guidance, allowing you to generate these essential documents quickly and accurately, minimizing the risk of future disputes or misunderstandings. Having legally sound contracts in place from the outset can save you immense headaches and potential litigation costs down the line. Estate planning and personal legal needs. More than just business. While our focus today is primarily on business, it's important to recognize that LegalZoom also offers extensive services for personal legal needs, including estate planning. This might seem like a tangent, but for many entrepreneurs, their personal finances and business are deeply intertwined. Crafting a last will and testament, setting up a living trust, or establishing a power of attorney ensures that your assets, both personal and business-related, are distributed according to your wishes in the event of the unexpected. This provides peace of mind not only for you but also for your family and business partners. They also assist with other personal legal matters such as divorce forms, name changes, and even real estate deeds. This comprehensive approach means that once you're familiar with the LegalZoom platform for your business needs, you'll find it equally accessible for various personal legal situations that may arise. The Attorney Network, when you need a human touch. One of the common misconceptions about LegalZoom is that it's a completely automated, hands-off service. While their DIY options are robust, they also offer access to a network of independent attorneys. This is a significant advantage. For a flat monthly fee, you can get legal advice from experienced lawyers, have your documents reviewed, and even receive guidance on more complex legal issues that go beyond what a standard template can address. This attorney network acts as a bridge between purely DIY solutions and expensive traditional law firms. It's an excellent option for businesses that need more personalized guidance but aren't ready to commit to a full-time legal retainer. You can ask specific questions about your unique business situation, get clarification on legal terms, and ensure your documents are perfectly tailored to your needs. This hybrid model provides flexibility and peace of mind, knowing that expert legal advice is just a phone call away when you need it most. The benefits. Why LegalZoom might be right for you. So why choose LegalZoom? The benefits are numerous, especially for small businesses and individuals on a budget. First, there's the undeniable cost-effectiveness. Traditional legal services can be incredibly expensive, often charging hundreds of dollars an hour. LegalZoom's subscription models and fixed-fee services offer a significantly more affordable alternative, making legal protection accessible to a wider range of people. Second, it's about convenience and accessibility. You can access their services 24/7 from anywhere with an internet connection. No need to schedule appointments, commute to law offices, or navigate confusing legal jargon on your own. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you step by step through complex processes. Third, speed and efficiency are major advantages. Many legal processes that used to take weeks or even months can now be completed in a matter of days, sometimes even hours, thanks to LegalZoom's streamlined approach. This allows you to focus on launching and growing your business rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. Finally, there's the peace of mind that comes from knowing your legal bases are covered. Having properly formed business entities, protected intellectual property, and legally sound contracts in place reduces your risk of future legal troubles, disputes, and financial liabilities. It allows you to operate with confidence and focus your energy on innovation and growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.